Welcome to Kanitta kitchen.
Okay, today we are making Isaan style papaya salad. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
And what you gonna put there?
Yeah.
Papaya, of course.
Papaya. Yeah. Chili.
Oh wait, I need to show. Go closer. Okay, eli siinä on papaya. There's a papaya.
Yeah.
There's chili.
Yes.
I know some people love chili, so they put many, but I can't eat if there is too many chili. So I think 2 is enough for me. Then there is garlic, lemon, tomato, carrot, and
We just eat with cheese.
yeah. This is, I need to look it. I will put the recipe on the end of this video. So you can look over there, and there are lots of sauce like this. This is fish sauce. I think this is fish sauce too. Is it soy fish sauce or this is soy?
Different, yes.
But they have both are fish sauce. Then there is garlic something, I don't remember anymore. Something garlic, pickled garlic, soy, juice. And this was something very difficult word. I don't remember. It was some monohydrate something, but I will write it on the end of this video. Okay, this is look like it's Japanese.
Yes.
Okay, but let's go.
Let's cut.
Okay, you have carrot already cut
Yeah.
there.
And papaya salad.
Yeah.
Open.
Yes. I think you can easily use that papaya
Yes,
too,
but-
like this.
Not everyone like.
Yeah.
When we would, yes, you can.
Same as carrot.
Yes.
But
But
I see
I
Thai
like-
people like to do it
I
like
like-
that way.
big, not too thin.
Yeah.
Okay.
Little bit.
Yes.
And I can promise this is going to be hot. If you never try it, be careful with the chili. And of course, I don't know what chili is this. I don't know what kind of chili this is, but this is like normal chili here in Thailand.
Yes.
Of course, you can make it this without chili if you don't like chili. No, some people just, can you make it without chili?
No.
And somebody put there even these peanuts.
Thai papaya.
Hmm?
No.
No papaya salad.
No this.
Ah.
Yes. We have
Yeah,
this.
if you don't put this, then you can put peanuts. Okay.
Yeah, you can put if you want.
Because I see this Bangkok style, they put peanuts. Okay.
Okay.
Now you're gonna put what? Now make chili.
How many chili you want?
2, only 2. If you want me to eat it. Garlic. Tämmössä, mikä mortteri vai mikä tää on? Missä tehdään mausteita. Two. Okay, then we go.
Be careful.
You don't want to have that on your eyes.
No. And
Tomato.
yes.
Nämä on tämmöisiä, mitä torilta löytyy näitä tomaatteja niin joka paikasta. Tämmöisiä pieniä tomaatteja. Vaikka ne näyttäisi, että jotkut ei ole kypsiä, niin kyllä ne on kypsiä. Sinne vähän limeä. Now we put fish sauce. Thai people use lots of fish sauce. Different kind of fish sauce. I'm not sure if you can find this in Finland.
I think
Maybe some good.
but
I think Asia market might have.
little bit.
Or some big city market. You can find it there. But this is not sure you can find. Maybe in Asia market. Well, it's looking hot. Yeah. Now we put everything there. Yeah, it's very good, this salad. You need to just get used to this chili. I think this is Kanitta's favorite salad.
Yes. Little bit taste.
I know what you say. More chili. Need more chili. No salt or sugar or nothing. No.
We have inside sugar, everything. Okay.
Okay, it's ready. Okay, then you only need to make a plate and put it on the show. I have to say, when the first time I eat this, it was not only 2 chili, I think that was 4 or 5 chili. And that wasn't fun to eat. Yeah, it's looking good. You get lots of vitamins in this salad. Okay.
More chili.
Good. No need more chili. It's enough. Yeah. Okay. Okay. That was it. So we see you in next video. Kanitta.
Bye bye. See you next video.
Chasing through the crazy night.